Have you ever stood in front of the Great Pyramid and wondered, how on earth did the ancient Egyptians move stones weighing over 2 tons, without modern machinery? Let me take you back, around 4,500 years ago, to a world where brute strength met brilliant innovation. The limestone blocks used for the pyramids, some weighed as much as a car. And the granite ones? We're talking bus-sized boulders. Yet somehow, they got them from quarries, sometimes miles away, to the pyramid site with jaw-dropping precision. First, let's bust a myth. Aliens weren't involved. Sorry, sci-fi fans. The real answer is even more impressive. The Egyptians used simple machines, teamwork, and a whole lot of clever thinking. One of their biggest secrets? The humble sled. Workers would haul these giant stones on wooden sledges. But dragging a block through sand? That's tough. So what did they do? They poured water on the sand in front of the sled. This reduced friction, making it way easier to slide the stones along. Modern experiments have shown this actually works. Water can cut the force needed by up to half. But that was just the start. Picture long ramps made from mud brick, limestone chippings, or even straight-up dirt. These ramps came in all shapes, straight, zigzag, even spiraling around the pyramid as it rose. Workers would push, pull, and lever stones up these ramps, sometimes using ropes made from papyrus or palm fibers, strong enough to handle the weight, and moving the massive granite blocks from Aswan. Egyptians floated them down the Nile on wooden barges. Once at the site, it was time for more ramps, levers, and sheer determination. Some believe they even used round wooden logs as rollers under the stones, though evidence for this is debated. But what's clear is this: the Egyptians combined simple tools, smart engineering, and the power of thousands of organized workers. So next time you see a pyramid, remember, it stands not just as a tomb, but as a monument to human creativity and grit. These stones weren't moved by magic, they were moved by minds.